Hello students. Myself Karishma Datta from Saraswat International Academy. I'm going to teach to standard 6th English medium. Subject Social Science, chapter number 1, Source of History, part 1. Hello students, you all have studied about environmental science in standard 5th. So let us see what is environment. The surrounding or condition in which a person, animal or a plant lives or operates, right? A surrounding condition where a person, animal or a plant they can live, that is said to be as what? Environment. Okay, जहाँ पे एक person, animal और plant रह सकते हैं conditions, surrounding condition के ऊपर, that is said to be as what? Environment. Second, so now in standard 6th you are going to study about social science, a new phase. Okay, you must have studied in fifth standard about environment, different type of animal, aquatic animals, different type of plants, right? How do human beings live in the environment, that you have studied in 5th standard. So now in 6th standard you are going to study the topic, the subject, that is social science, a new subject that is said to be as social science. A new phase is going to start now. एक नया phase चालू होने वाला है जिसमें you are going to read something about history, right? So let us see that. Okay, social science, your subject social science. What is social science now? Actually, what the subject social science mean, right? That we'll see over here. Is the study of the activities of the physical and social environment, right? It is a study of what? A physical and a social environment, right? What do you mean by social? Social means what? That is society, right? And how do people live in that physical environment, that is said to be as social science. Next, it is important because its study help us to gain knowledge of the society we live in. Why is social science important? Because हमें क्या बता रहा है? नॉलेज दे रहा है. किसकी नॉलेज दे रहा है? कि दैट ऑफ द सोसाइटी वेयर यू लिव, जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं, राइट? उसकी स्टडी हमें नॉलेज के थ्रू, who brings it out? That is social science, where we are living in. Next point, generally social science focus on the relationship among individual in society. Okay, abhi generally social science, what do it actually mean? It shows the relationship among individual in society में लोग कैसे रह रहे हैं, right? Each individual have a different type of perspective. हर एक individual अलग है और हर एक का जो relation है सोसाइटी के साथ वो क्या है? अलग है. तो उस पे कौन फोकस कर रहा है? दैट इज सोशल साइंस. इट शोज अबाउट इट. नाउ यू मस्ट बी लाइक दैट कि व्हाट इज सोसाइटी देन? अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल living together and adopting one culture for a long period of time, that is society. Okay, next, so we will study in detail human behavior and how and about how human created the society. Okay, now you are going to study in social science what? That is human behavior. And even what you're going to study, that is how human created, we human, one individual or group of people, how they created the society, that you're going to learn in this subject. Okay, next, not only that much but even about our Gujarat, right? We all live in Gujarat. गुजरात हैव डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन क्या है, थोड़ी डिफरेंट है, राइट? हर जगह पे अलग अलग चीज़ें देखने को मिलती है. दैट ऑल्सो यू गोइंग टू स्टडी इन दिस सब्जेक्ट. ओके, so let us start with it. Okay students, before moving with the subject or the chapter, we shall see that is the index part. Okay, that how many chapters are going to come for the first semester to you. Okay, so there are how many chapters? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 9 chapters going to be coming in the first semester. And what chapters are they? Let us see that first, and then we'll start with the chapter. The first chapter is of the source of history. Like, source of history means to find how history came to be known, right? That you're going to see in the first chapter. Second thing you're going to see, that is map. What is map, right? With the help of map, what can we find out? We know that map has been so much useful to us. मैप के वजह से हम easily कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं location के through, right? So that you're going to study in this chapter. Second, there is citizenship. We all are Indian, right? And we are said to be as Indian people. We have a citizenship of India. So we are the citizen of India, right? How the citizenship हम कैसे gain करते हैं country में, that you're going to study in the third chapter. Then the fourth chapter, beginning of human life. Like how human life begin, कैसे human life start हुई है, right? हिस्ट्री से पास्ट में कैसे स्टार्ट हुई थी, दैट हम ये फोर्थ चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. देन अर्थ आर होम. यस, अर्थ कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट? वाई इट इज़ आर होम सेट टू बी, दैट यू गोइंग टू स्टडी इन द फिफ्थ चैप्टर. देन सिक्स्थ चैप्टर, द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेटल्ड लाइफ. फोर्थ चैप्टर वी कैन सी बिगिनिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. फिर धीरे 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 ह्यूमन्स आगे बढ़े तो उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ कैसे सेटल करना चालू कर दिया, राइट? दैट यू गोइंग टू सी इन द सिक्स्थ चैप्टर. Then I said you about Gujarat. You're going to study about Gujarat location, boundary, and physiography. Then unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means what? That India is a country. India एक ऐसी country है जहाँ पे हर तरीके के लोग देखने को मिलते हैं. All different types of people can be seen over here. Okay, but these people live together. सब कैसे रह रहे हैं? They are living unitedly, right? So that is unity in diversity that you're going to see in this chapter. Then the Asian town. Fourth chapter you can see beginning of human life हुआ, फिर लाइफ कैसे सेटल किया और धीरे धीरे कैसे people, that is the Asian people, they started making towns, right? That you're going to study in the ninth chapter. So students, this is the whole course of your first semester in the sixth standard, and which subject? That is social science. So now we shall start with the chapter that is source of history. We'll move with the introduction part. Okay, now early in the morning you receive a newspaper which makes you aware of daily events and incident. We know that early in the morning सबके घर पे newspaper comes. Everyone's house newspaper comes, and what has been happened in the country, right? That all things have been written on the newspaper, daily newspaper, and even incident events जो भी नए नए programs and everything is been done, वो everything is being written in the newspaper. And even different type of incidents, incidents are also been written in the newspaper, and you received it, right? Then next, after some time these events become the past. Okay, if I give you an example of today I got the newspaper, right? I saw many events, many things going on in the country, what is going on in the country, what actual the condition is of the country, वो मुझे आज पता चल गया. मुझे आज सब डिटेल में पता चल गया न्यूज़पेपर के थ्रू. अभी द नेक्स्ट डे, अगले दिन, आई गेट another newspaper, and that newspaper have different types of incidents और events उसमें प्रिंट आउट आते हैं. ऐसे करते करते हर रोज़ एक नए नए आते हैं. तो सोचो जुलाई मंथ का एक पूरा न्यूज़पेपर मेरे पास है. अभी मैं अगस्त में कुछ नया होगा तो वो न्यूज़पेपर में वो आने वाला है. तो जुलाई इवेंट एंड इंसिडेंट वो क्या हो गए मेरे पास्ट. दैट becomes after some time these event becomes the past. ये सब हमारे क्या हो जाते हैं? पास्ट. We recall the date and time when same type of incident happens. अगर same type of incident example ले लो कि like an incident happened, and that incident is like an accident happened, and that accident detail was been printed, वो सब उसकी पूरी detail was been printed in the newspaper. After some days you see a newspaper and a same incident happened but at different place, है ना? वो सेम इंसिडेंट हुआ एक्सीडेंट का और सेम तरीके से हुआ, बट थोड़े दिन के बाद वो सेम इंसिडेंट हमको देखने को मिला, बट वो एक नई जगह पे देखने को मिला। तो हम व्हाट डू वी रिकॉल दैट, यस आफ्टर फ्यू डेज बैक मैंने देखा था डेट और टाइम के साथ, यस वो सेम इंसिडेंट हुआ था। ओके, यस। Next, photograph and detailed information given of the past events in the newspaper help us to know the history, right? जो भी photograph होते हैं, detailed जो informations दी जाती है न्यूज़पेपर में, that give us to know what that is the history, वो हमको help करते हैं, they are helping us for finding what that is to know the history. Okay, now student, what you need to do that is make a scrapbook of old articles, painting and photographs gathered from various newspaper and magazine in your school or town or village or library. Okay, next, when collecting articles, photograph and pictures of painting, we gather historical information. Okay, now student, what you need to do, you need to make a scrapbook. Scrapbook is of different color pages के आती है, वो आपको बनाना है, right? आपको बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो आउट ऑफ हाउस। वॉट एवर घर पे न्यूज़पेपर्स होंगे ना आपके, उसमें जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन है वो सब है ना, फ़ोटोज़ को लेना है, यू नीड टेक इट, अ बिट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन उसकी लेनी है, उसको काट के स्क्रैप बुक में क्या करना है, यू नीड टू पुट इट आउट। ओके, देन कलेक्ट ऑल दिस आर्टिकल्स एंड फोटोग्राफ, even pictures of painting, so gather karo, and what do you come to know about it, that these photograph what you are collecting it, that is showing us what has been happened in the history, जो history में जो क्या हो चुका है, ये फोटोग्राफ, ये पेंटिंग और ये सब is going to give you what that is information about the history, historical informations. Next, you might even know some people who have a collection of old paintings, photograph, coins, stamps, and written information. Okay, now over here, if I can say you that at your home only, I can say you have a dada, dadi, right? Your grandfather, grandmother. So they must be having old coins, paisa. अभी तो 1 रुपया 2 रुपया 10 रुपया से चलता है, but when your grandfather and grandmother were लिविंग देयर चाइल्डहुड, जब वो छोटे थे उस टाइम पे 25 पैसा, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉइन्स दे वर यूजिंग इट। तो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू कलेक्ट इट, कलेक्ट करके राइट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट एंड आस्क देम अबाउट द हिस्ट्री, लाइक आप क्यों यूज़ करते थे, किस वजह से यूज़ करते थे, इसका क्या काम आता था, राइट? दैट इंफॉर्मेशन यू नीड टू आस्क टू द योर grandfather and grandmother. Okay, next. This treasure of information was passed on to us by earlier generation. Okay, अगर आपके दादा दादी आपको दे रहे हैं कोई चीज़ पकड़ने को, लाइक दिस, और कोई ओल्ड कॉइन दिखाते हैं, तो what it is showing, it is showing the information, वो दिखा रहे हैं कि उनके टाइम पे इन द हिस्ट्री, राइट? बिकॉज द टाइम विच दे हैव लिव्ड, वो जो जी चुके हैं लाइफ, राइट, दैट टाइम विच दे हैव लिव्ड is past, is history. So you are getting what that is information, and the earlier generation, that is earlier generation kaun hai, that is you people, right? The earlier generation gets the information about the history. Okay, the last part over here now. When December 2000 was to be an end, जब 2000 खत्म हो रहा था, most of papers, various articles with photograph on the incident and event of 20th century, which became famous as Millennium Gallery. Okay, जब 2000 खत्म हो रहा था और 2001 आने वाला था, in the month of December, what did all the newspaper did? All the newspaper collected different type of articles, different types of photographs of different events of 20th century. 2000 was the 20th century, right? तो उन्होंने क्या किया, they collected different types of photographs of all the incidents of 20th, that is 2000 ईयर की सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस, इवेंट्स को उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया, एंड विच बिकेम फेमस एज which became famous as what? As Millennium Gallery. Okay, students, so you are aware of the incident and personalities of 20th century from the articles and photographs. Okay, so that we saw that Millennium Gallery part, that when 2000 was to be an end, right, to all newspapers. What they did, they started um, keeping photographs and articles of 2000. Okay, because it was to the end, so it was said to be as Millennium Gallery. And you have also collected different types of informations. Okay, so it is making you aware matlab jagrut karna, that what was the history. Next, since our history is very ancient, we are always eager to know what people were eating and wearing in. Right? Very ancient मतलब बहुत पुरानी history हमारी. It is very old, very much old. So एक जिज्ञासा जागती है, right? What were that type at that time people were doing? What were they eating? What were they wearing? Right? That eagerness can be seen in us about knowing what that is the history. Next, how they lived and in what type of houses, and the activities that were the part of their daily life. Okay, now what they are saying over here, so by if we know that our history is that much old, so one thing comes in our mind to know about it. Okay, how were the people living over there? How were they eating? What were they wearing? What type of houses were they living? Okay, and what type of activities were being done by them in their daily life, मतलब हर रोज़ वो क्या करते थे, क्या नहीं करते थे, कौन से हाउसेस में वो लोग रहते थे. राइट, दैट टाइप ऑफ eagerness to know comes in as to know about what that is the history. So let us gather correct information from reliable sources. So we shall start to know about the history. Now, students, we shall move with a new topic, that is the Tad Patra and the Bhoj Patra. You can see in the picture, right? In this picture, that a wood, a tree skin has been seen over here. Wood has been seen over here. Part of wood has been seen over here, and something has been returned over here. Now, what is this actually? We will see in the next page. Over here you can see different type of languages. Something has been written, to wood has been seen, part of it has been seen. So these are said to be as Tadpatra and Bhoj Patras. Now what is Tadpatra and what is Bhoj Patra? Now let us see that. Okay, now we'll see that is ताड़पत्रा. वी कैन नो अबाउट द पास्ट थ्रू वेरियस सोर्सेज. वो हमने पहले ही देख लिया है कि हम पास्ट के बारे में कैसे जान सकते हैं अलग अलग तरीके से. राइट, देन द ताड़पत्रा and the Bhojpatra are manuscript written mostly in Pandu script are some of them. Now what they are saying over here, that is the Tadpatra and the Bhojpatra, they are manuscript. Manuscript over here, what does it means? Like which has been written by hand. Right, in history there was no typewriter for typing it. Right, everything was been written by hand. Right, so that is said to be as manuscript. Written mostly in which script? That is Pandu, a language. That is Pandu script are some of them. Then next, Bhojpatras are made from the skin of tree named Bhoj. Okay, the Bhojpatra, it has been made from the tree skin. Right, ट्री की जो स्किन है उससे भोजपत्रा बना है. ओके, आई शोड यू द भोजपत्रा. राइट, मैंने आई शोड यू इन द पिक. राइट, सो भोजपत्रा इज बिन मेड फ्रॉम द स्किन ऑफ द ट्री. और ट्री का नाम क्या है? भोज. फॉर दैट रीजन इट्स नेम वॉज केप्ट एज भोजपत्रा. देन नेक्स्ट, although most of the Pandu manuscript have been destroyed by insect, some are preserved in temple, viharas, library and government museum. Now what they are saying, that most of the Pandu script has been is destroyed by insect. Obviously it's a wood or a लकड़ी को कीड़ा लगता है ना, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज़ बिन डिस्ट्रॉयड. और जो भी थोड़ा बहुत प्रिजर्व है अभी तक है, they have been seen where they have been kept where, that is in temples, viharas, libraries and government museum. In these places these manuscripts are being kept. Next, using these sources we get a lot of information about king's administration and public life in ancient times. Okay, by using this script word, that is manuscript, right? What can be known by this? The king administration and public life in the ancient time. हमको information मिलती है by this script which has been written on the wood, that is ताड़पत्र और भोजपत्र पत्रा से. What information are we getting? That at that time how were the king living, how were they ruling, and what type of administration they were having it, कौन से rules and regulation के साथ वो अपना they were able to what, that is able to run their kingdom. And how was the public life in the ancient time, that can be known by the two sources, that is Tadpatra and Bhojpatra, which has been written in manuscript, that is by hand. Okay, next, in ancient time, main incident like achievement of king, writing of order and treaties with the other states were carved on stone and metal plates. Okay, now in ancient time, in the old time, what was been saying, जो भी king achieve करते थे, it was been written. Writing of order also, any order to be given to anyone, किसी को भी order देना है, that writing also. And treaties are a formal letter, you can say, which has been signed by two states. अगर एग्जाम्पल की, अगर एक स्टेट को दूसरे स्टेट के साथ अगर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन करना है, कुछ बेचना है, अपना कोई सामान बेचना है, राइट, तो व्हाट वुड द अदर स्टेट डू, वो स्टेट क्या करेगा, एक ट्रीटी साइन करवाएगा. लाइक आपका सामान मेरे पास आ रहा है, तो उसे कंफर्म करने के लिए येस आई एम रेडी टू डू दैट, राइट, दैट इज़ आई एम रेडी टू डू दैट. तो आपको एक पेज पे साइन करना पड़ेगा, और वो जो पेज पे साइन किया जाता है, दैट इज सेड टू बी द ट्रीटी विद द अदर स्टेट. ओके, एंड वर carved on stones and metal plates. Okay, it was carved मतलब it was been returned on the stones and the metal plates. Okay, the achievements of the king, writing of order and even treaties with the other states were carved where, on stones or metal plates. These metal plates and stone writing is known as inscription. मतलब कि stone and on metal plate the writing which was been done, that is said to be as what, inscription. That is said to be as what, inscription. Students, this is a very important part. Okay, what is inscription? That is, these metal plates and stone writing is known as inscription. Exists even today, मतलब ये अभी तक, you can see till now, are preserved in the archive such as National Archive of Delhi. It has been preserved where? That is in the archive that is in the National Archive of Delhi. It has been preserved over there. These metal plates and the stone writing has been preserved over there. Student, now next. During excavation, utensils, stones, tools and Asian ornaments are found which tell us about the history of the ancient time based on pictures. Okay, now what they're saying over here, that during excavation. Now what is excavation? What is excavation? Excavation is a hole is been made in the earth by digging. मतलब कुछ खोद के कुछ ढूंढना, right? That is said to be as what? That is excavation. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको मन किया आपने खोद दिया तो हम उसे excavation बोलेंगे. No, it is not like that. Like it has been done by only archaeologists. Archaeologists are people who learn about the history, right? Who are learning about the history, who have studied about the history, and with the proof that there is something over here in the earth, and when the digging has been done to found that thing, that is said to be as excavation. Okay, during excavation, utensils, stone tools, and Asian ornaments, all these were found. Okay, and why were this found? To know about the history, कि history में क्या क्या था और किसने क्या किया. Okay, and when these things were being found, so it became very easy to know the history of the Asian times, and with the base of picture it was very easily known that how which king was ruling over there, what type of people were living over there. With the excavation we can know about it. Then next, the source of history. Now the source of history are documents, painting, ornaments, toys, inscription, Bhojpatra, metal plates, old buildings, temples and travelogues, etc. These all are sources of history. That means how we are able to know about the history with the documents which were being found out, right? कुछ documents मिले, written documents मिले, पेंटिंग मिलना, ऑर्नामेंट्स मिलना हिस्ट्री के, एशियन टाइम के, टॉयज़ मिलना, कॉइन्स मिलना, इंस्क्रिप्शन मतलब क्या, carving on stones or metal plate, that is said to be an inscription, getting bhojpatras, metal plates, old buildings, right? We have seen many old buildings that describes the history. Even old temples we have seen. Travelogue is a book which is been seen with the travelers, जो बहुत travel करते हैं ना, they have a book and they write everything, where they go, where they went, what they did over there, what they found over there, right? Everything is written in a book, that travel book, that is said to be as travelogues. Over here now, what is inscription? Student, these all points are the definition, main important part. Okay, this definition you need to learn this is your homework, that you need to learn this definition, and I'm going to ask you in the next part. Okay, now what is stone inscription? Writing which are carved on stone is said to be as stone inscription. Writing on what? That is on stone, that is said to be a stone inscription. Then what is Bhojpatra? The bark of a tree on which book were written in ancient time. Bark of a tree, on that what was been written? Book were been written, that is in the ancient time, is the Bhojpatra. Then what is copper plate? Inscription on copper or tin, matlab carving it on copper or on tin is said to be as copper plates. Then carbon dating system. Carbon dating system is used by archaeologists to know the exact date and time of finding. Okay, we have seen in this topic, student, that is about excavation. I said to that excavation is only done by archaeologists. Okay, so carbon dating system, this is a very important system used by the archaeologist. आर्कोलॉजिस्ट को इसको यूज़ करते हैं. क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? इस सिस्टम से वी आर एबल टू नो ईजीली अबाउट द डेट एंड टाइम of finding out anything. Example, if I can give you that, an ornament was found during excavation. Archaeologist ने क्या किया? एक ornament को found किया excavation के time पे. तो ये carbon dating system is going to help the archaeologist to know that when was this ornament was being made, and during which king was ruling at that time. That can be known easily by carbon dating system. Then archives, place which stores historical records. What are archives? मतलब हम देखा national archive of national Delhi, right? These archives is said to be as what? Places where historical records, जहाँ पे जो भी हिस्टोरिकल चीज़ें मिली एक्सकावेशन के टाइम पे, जहाँ पे प्रिजर्व की जाती है, राइट, दैट इज सेड टू बी एज व्हाट? दैट इज आर्चिव्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी एंड ओवर हियर विथ आवर chapter explanation, that is first chapter, source of history. So what you need to do, that is this all definition you need to learn, and in the next part I'm going to give you the theory.